on my way out of the water. A lot is going on here. You know, it is Holy Thursday, as I would call it. And people are out in their droves, in their number. Once again, we're at Playa, Boca Chica beach, one of the better beaches here in Santo Domingo. And the water, as I said earlier, is very warm. It is also very shallow, about 100 meters or more stretch of water that is extremely shallow. Stay tuned, and as usual, like, share and subscribe. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. As you can see, we're at Playa Boca Chica, one of the most popular beaches here in Santo Domingo. It's a busy day, very busy, but it's a very lovely beach, and I know we're going to enjoy yourselves. Yeah, see a lot of coconut trees. You see that? Yeah, I love this. Stay tuned for now.
Be strong.
Videotaping eatery, every single thing. You can see we're on Boca Chica beach, and we're going to go in the water right now and let you see what the Boca Chica beach water is like. It's very shallow, I can tell you, and the water is very warm. I would compare it to that of the beach, Long Bay Beach in Negril, Jamaica. You can see I'm in the water. I'm heading towards Jelani. He's gonna show you some of his swimming. Jelani, swim towards me. Up towards me. I said towards me, Jelani, towards me. That's why I'm doing the video. Alright, he's going to swim now after 3. 1, 2, this side. This way towards me. That's why I'm doing the video. I can't do it that way. 1, 2, 3. This is it. Alright, you're splashing the camera. And why you have to splash the water whenever you're swimming? Take your time, boy. Alright, that's it. And he just came out of the water. So this is basically Boca Chica beach, and the water is very warm and we're enjoying it. First, my fried Dominican food, right here. It's almost finished. This is so delicious. This is so good. This is so good. This is so good. Yes, I'm repeating myself. This is so good. Look at this. Carry the camera close, let me see this something. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I think, look at that boy, look there. This boy not have a fish and the boy is steering that shit apart. Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. Today, I'm going to talk about my Haitian meal. The first I'm going to try Haitian. And if you don't know, we're presently in the Dominican Republic. And we're presently in Playa, Boca, Chica beach. And to my right, you have I'm telling you, it's scrumptious. I'm going to try it. Try the fish. See, I'm trying the fish. Look at that. Look at that. It is so fleshy. Look at that. Oh my. Kind of Dominican fish. Delicious. It's never full. Very full. The only issue, I would say, it's not a big issue. You could take a little more salt, but it's very flavorful. And as you can see, it's very fleshy. It's a good sized fish. And the price for this meal is like about 20 USD. 20 USD. To me, it's quite affordable. What's the price of your meal? Dominican meal? You think it's affordable? Have you tried the fish? Tell us how the fish tastes. Fish tastes very delicious. You think it's flavorful? What about the plantain? Oh my god, I love this plantain. And you know, these ones are very good at preparing fish. I'm not talking about all Haitian cuisine, based on what I've read, you know. And it's the first, as I said, I'm trying here cuisine, and I'm enjoying it. The only issue is a little more salt, and trust me, this will be perfect. Overall, I would give this meal nothing more than an 8.5 out of 10. Nothing less rather than an 8.5 out of 10. I'm really enjoying it. What do you say about it? It is huh?
It's very delicious. I love that tomato thing.
Right, the Playa, Boca, famous Santo Domingo. And it's one of the better beaches here in Santo Domingo. I'm really enjoying this. The shape is not open. It's flavorful. We just add a little more salt to tea. Anyways, as usual, please go on our Facebook website and check out our natural skincare products. The website name is JECERIBLE.com. Something is there for every skin type. Thanks for watching as usual, and have a wonderful morning, wonderful afternoon, a wonderful evening. What do you have to say, Jelani, about your Dominican fish before we close?
Very delicious, very crispy, and not that old. Anyways, have a good day. Let everyone across the world. Peace out.
Yeah, we are still here, eating our Haitian fish. As you can see, we are really enjoying this. Very flavorful. As I said, I will give this the minimum 8.5 out of 10. Just first I'm having Haitian. First, my fried Dominican food. See? Right here, it's almost finished. And this is so delicious. This is so good. This is so good. This is so good. Yes, I'm repeating myself. This is so good. Look at this. Carry the camera close, let me see this something. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ahí look at that boy, look there. This boy is not a lovely African boy. Boy is tearing that fish apart. Boy is tearing that fish apart. So as usual, time to watch it. Like, share, and subscribe.